Alright, I'm gonna show y'all how to draw out a jet, solder it with the NT carburetor. I already soldered. Get it to focus. I've already soldered it and went too big on a jet, so yeah, I gotta replace my gasket too, but I'm gonna show how to jet with solder and these really small drill bits. They got numbers, but a 70 is like a .70 jet because that's what the stock carburetor jet was in this. So I put a reed valve on my bike and stuff, and it needed a slightly larger jet, so I tried a 60. It was a 67 on here. It was a little too rich, so I'm gonna try a 69 size. This is what the package looks like. It's a mini drill set, 20 piece, 21 piece, and it comes with this. And pull the 69 out. Just put it in like this. Just using needle noses to hold the jet. Tie a band around them. Like that. It's pretty tight. Since I went too big on the jet size, I'm going to solder it, reheat the the solder so it fills the hole back in. Lay it up like this. This soldering gun's pretty old. The tip's well past its best by date. Kind of works better if you just lay it on wood or something, so the heat doesn't transfer away from it as fast. But just get it pulled over like that into a fresh pool. Probably isn't going to focus. just to get the hole to seal back up. You could put the needle or the drill bit right in it while it's hot. As soon as you pull the soldering gun away, it makes a hole that way also. But I like drilling the hole back out. And just like that. And when you back it out, got a little solder on it. You just blow through it. Make sure, take a good look, make sure there isn't any solder in it. And that's it. Fresh hole. Should be the right jet for me on this application, but I will, if you're all interested, I'll put a link for the bits down below. And it's a real good idea to keep track with a paper, which, because they're not the actual size that they say. So I had another one that was 70. Well, I had the bits that was mixed up from the factory. I wrote 71, but really was in the 70 spot. But good idea to keep track. So I'm gonna write on here. This I did probably, I don't know, 4 bikes already, different jet sizes. I didn't write them all, but I'm gonna write on here since this is probably gonna be the perfect jet for this setup. So I'm gonna write on here what it is. But it's a nice little kit. If you don't want to sit there and pay money for different jets, just buy this kit. It's only, I don't know, I think I paid like around $8 for it, but I'll put a link. It might be less, might be more. And I done used it on, I don't know, at least 4 jets already, and got a couple more lined out. So definitely saves money in the long run if you're doing more than one. If you're just needing one jet and you know what it is, or a good idea, just go ahead and get one. But if you're going to be doing a lot of rejetting on carburetors, I recommend getting this set up. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Later.